Yo, what's going on, guys? Really excited to be back again with another video, and today we are going to be doing another Halo Mega Bloks unboxing video. So I got 3 packages in front of me, and like I said, today it's all Halo Mega Bloks, guys, or Halo Mega Construx as they like to call them now. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and be opening these packages today. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and check out my last 2 videos. I talk a little bit about the giveaway I'm gonna be doing at 250 subscribers. So I'll go ahead and link that giveaway video down in the description below so that you can check it out if you have not already. And make sure you guys go ahead and get entered into that. You know, you might have a chance to win. But alright guys, let's go ahead and just jump right into these packages. I think we're gonna start with this one on the left here. So, let us see what we got in this package. I don't think I need to even cut this one. We shall see. Actually, let's try. Let's see. There we go. Okay guys, so here is our first package. In this package, we happen to get, oh sweet, the purple Series 2 Spartan from Halo Mega Bloks. Now this is very cool because I was hoping to get, I used to have this figure, but I have not seen him actually. Not sure what happened to him, but that's very cool. This completes our, is one of the figures I need to complete my Series 2 set so that I can make a video on them. Very cool. That is the purple Spartan from Series 2, like I was saying. Very cool Spartan. Looking great, looking great. Alright, so that is our first figure, guys, from the first package. Now we'll set this out of the way as we see what else we're going to be getting today in today's package. That is very cool. Love that figure. And we shall go ahead and jump into the second smaller package now, guys. So let us do that. Go ahead and open up this one over here. This one has been taped horrendously. Wow. Okay. Let's try to get this open here. And guys, in this package, we ended up getting what is in this one? Oh, this is actually the lot of Halo Mega Bloks figures, so that's cool. Awesome, there we go. Look at that. All of these Mega Bloks figures. So I happened to get a bunch of these guys actually for pretty cheap on the internet, so I'm very happy about that. As you can see, some of them are a little mismatched, but we did get some pretty cool characters in this little lot. As you can see, guys, some more Halo Mega Bloks figures that we got in today's haul. Very cool figures. Very happy to have gotten these ones. Like I said, this is just another little eBay order that I got, and I happened to get some figures and some more parts in there. As you can see, some of them are complete, some of them are missing a couple little pieces, but I didn't pay too much for them, so I'm very happy with what I have gotten so far. So this is very awesome, guys. So more Mega Bloks figures, as you can see. Go ahead and show a couple of them so we can see what we got here today. And then let us move this package out of the way and go ahead and jump into our last package, guys. So I do think this is the... I actually thought that this package was going to be that one. So that's interesting. Let's go ahead and actually just see what's in this one for real, huh? I would love to know why they use such a big box for what I think is going to be a tiny little figure. So we'll see. There we go. Let's bust open this last package, guys, and we will be able to see what we got in this little mailer, I guess. Yep, I can feel him in there. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. And we'll set some of these figures to the side like I was saying. And we'll open up this last little figure. Here we have the Series 2 Copper Elite, guys. Now this is awesome because this goes ahead and completes my Series 2. Like I was saying, I actually was not able to locate my old Copper Elite or my Purple Spartan. So I was able to get those two Spartans, or yeah, these two characters, so I can go ahead and complete my Series 2 and go ahead and make a video on those guys. So that's very exciting. Very happy to have gotten these. And the rest of the figures that you guys have seen today in today's haul. Some awesome stuff. Very happy to have gotten all this today. As you guys can see, this is some of the stuff we've gotten in today's haul, or all of the stuff we've actually gotten in today's haul. Just a little Halo Mega Bloks haul today, guys. Very exciting stuff, though. I'm very happy to have gotten all this, because it allows me to make a couple more videos that I've really been trying to make, guys. So, that's very cool. I'll go ahead and line these all up so I can show you what I got. As you can see, very, very cool stuff. Especially that purple Spartan. That thing is just incredibly good looking, honestly, guys. So as you can see, this is what we got in today's haul. Some very cool stuff. Very happy to have gotten this all. And that's actually going to go ahead and wrap this quick little video, guys. I just wanted to do an unboxing of some of these Halo Mega Bloks that I have been getting in recently. And I wanted to let you all know that I will be continuing to upload on this channel and continuing to make videos. Just wanted to kind of take you guys along with me to show you the process of me ordering all these and receiving them, and eventually getting them ready for videos. So that is very exciting, guys. I'm very happy to have received all these today, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to have watched me open these, because I really enjoy making these unboxing videos, guys. Like I said earlier, please go ahead and check out that giveaway video I was doing. I really think that's a good, nice little style video that I thought would be good for my channel. And I think you guys will really enjoy that one as well as the other videos on my channel. Make sure you go ahead and check those out if you haven't already. Please leave a like and subscribe on the video, guys, if you have not already as well, because it means a lot to me. I really want to keep doing this, and I really enjoy doing this, guys. So if you could go ahead and leave a like and subscribe on the video, it would mean the world to me. I really enjoyed making this video, guys. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Not sure what the next video is going to be, if it's going to be an unboxing or Series 2 review. Probably the Series 2 review. We'll see, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.